guys, welcome back. This is Leena. So it's monsoon season now and summer just got over. We were always looking for a waterproof makeup. I know during summer it's so sweaty and your makeup washes off, and during monsoon, because it is pouring outside, your makeup will eventually go off. So today I'm going to share a few waterproof makeup tips with you. So guys, the first thing is foundation. That is which comes off like really easily. So what you need to do is stop applying your heavy thick foundation and you can move to BB creams. So BB creams are tinted moisturizers which will really absorb into your skin, and it will not fade off, it won't wash off so easily. So instead of applying foundation, go for BB creams. And the second tip is apply primer. So primer will make sure that your makeup is in place and it won't like go off really easily. So primer is really important if you're looking for waterproof makeup. And the third tip is, even if you're using a liner, see it's waterproof. You can either go for like a gel liner, which is good. It won't wash off that easily and it won't smudge also. So gel liner or waterproof liners are really good. And the fourth tip is, after you apply your BB cream, make sure that you apply powder to it. It won't really make your makeup wash off that easily, but it will also make your makeup stay in place. So that's more important. And my last tip is skip powder blushes. You can use tinted blushes, which is really good. There are a lot of companies which have started, like Body Shop, Maybelline. So it's like a tinted blush. You just apply it onto your skin and dab, so it will absorb into your skin. Won't really wash off. Even if you're sweating or if you're out in the rain, it will stay. So these were a few tips on how you can use these tips for waterproof makeup, and your makeup will stay in place. So go try it and let me know if you have any more doubts in the comment section below. And if you have any more products that I should try which is really good, which is waterproof, do let me know. And for more DIYs makeup tips, follow Foxy, and I will see you soon, guys. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena. How you guys doing? So finally monsoon has started, summer's over, and it's pouring like crazy outside. We all love this season, but did you know it's really important to take care of your skin during monsoon, and especially this season because there's so much pollution outside, plus the water outside, and your skin gets really damaged. And the first thing that we do is we just stop applying sunscreen because it's not even sunny outside, but that's not the case, guys. First and most important thing is you need to apply sunscreen during monsoon as well. And don't think it's gloomy outside, you don't need to apply it. It's very important. And cleansing, toning and moisturizing, these three things are really important. So first you cleanse your face once you come back from office or from school, college, whatever. Cleanse your face really well. Use a nice makeup remover or a nice face wash. You remove all the makeup or all the oil that has been on your skin, so you get rid of that. Firstly, that's really important. Second thing is toning. So use a nice toner because this will really help your skin. Once you've done that, use a nice toner, just apply it all over your face. If you have dry skin like mine, toners are harsh on your skin, so you can apply rose water. That acts like a really good toner. Once after you've done that, moisturizing is the third thing. Use a nice moisturizer according to your skin type, if it's oily, dry, or normal skin, combination skin. So use a moisturizer which will moisturize your skin and which will not damage your skin because of the monsoon outside. So do that. And most important thing is you need to keep your feet really good. Don't let the water stay in your feet. Just keep changing your shoes, wear appropriate shoes, and take care of your feet. Put your feet in like hot water once you come home from office, and this will get rid of all the dirt from your feet. And these are a few tips that you need to follow, and this will help you during monsoon. And take care of your skin, take care of your health. And if you have any more doubts, ask me in the comment section below. And for more DIYs, for more skincare tips, more makeup, follow Foxy, and I will see you soon, guys. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena. So today I'm going to talk about two major hair removal methods, which is waxing and shaving. So there's a huge discussion. A lot of people comment about waxing, a lot of people talk about shaving, and there's so much misconception, and there's so much discussion about this thing. So today I'm going to talk about how waxing is done. So waxing is you just take the wax and apply it on your skin, and then you remove it, and the hair comes out from your root, from your follicle, and that is called waxing. While shaving exfoliates your skin. There's a blade which removes the hair, and it just cuts the hair from the upper layer, doesn't remove it from the roots. So waxing is good for people who don't have sensitive skin, and who can take the pain, and waxing goes on for about 1 to 2 weeks. Your hair doesn't grow that quickly, whereas while shaving depends on your hair growth. It grows quickly, in it could be from 2 to 4 days depending on your hair growth. Now shaving is also good because it exfoliates your skin, so all the dirt and dust and everything comes out when you're shaving, while waxing removes the top layer of your skin. Sometimes people who have sensitive skin could get boils and rashes. Me personally, I have started shaving. Earlier I used to wax my hands, but then I've started shaving because I have a lot of chicken skin here. This is caused because of waxing. So it depends on people, how you want and how your skin type is. So I would recommend people who have really sensitive skin go for shaving, because it really exfoliates your skin, and you won't have any rashes, and you won't have any boils, etc. Waxing is good for people who don't have any sensitive skin issues, who are lucky, who can just go ahead get waxing done. But again, the problem with waxing is you have to wait for an entire week, 2 weeks to a month for your hair to grow again, and then you have to wax. While shaving can be done in any time, any day, whenever you feel like there's a little bit hair growth, you can just shave. You don't have to wait for a particular period of time. So these are two main discussions. Depending on your skin type, you all can choose either waxing or shaving. I personally shave my hands because that's what I feel is better. And you have all these cool shaving things, like Venus has a really good exfoliating, plus you have the soap kind of thing, which has you can easily shave, and it also makes your skin really soft. So I prefer shaving. Waxing is also good. It removes the top layer, so if you have a lot of tan, that gets rid of that, so that's also good. So here are my 2 ways, and I've spoken about what is good, what is bad. Whatever works for your skin, you all should try it. I think you all should try both, and whichever is good for you. If you can't take the pain, then don't do waxing. And if your hair growth is not much, and you could go ahead and do waxing. If you have any other tips, or if you have any other questions, let me know in the comment section below. And also, I'm on Instagram, guys, so why don't you follow me there? It's called Leena Gowda Official. It's my official Instagram account. Follow me there, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena. So applying mascara makes your eyes really pop, especially if you apply it on your lower lashes. It looks really nice. But a lot of you find it tricky, and find it difficult to apply it on your lower lashes. And so today I'm going to show you how to apply mascara on your lower lash. So let's start. So firstly, you need a mascara. The mascara that I'm going to be using today is from Essence. It's called Get Big Lashes, and this is the volume boost. So the first tip for people who want to apply mascara, and if you're like a beginner, use a waterproof mascara. If your eyes get teary, tears come out from your eyes, it becomes watery. So a waterproof mascara is good for beginners. And I'm going to show you how to apply mascara first. So first thing that you need to do is apply it on your upper lashes. So we apply this first. I'm going to start with my upper lash. separate your lashes. This will make it really clean and neat, and your lashes will look bigger as well. So you can see the difference. It really makes your eyes pop. So I'm going to apply the mascara on this one also. So you can use about 2 to 3 coats depending on your your choice. I will just go with this much coat. I think this gives you a nice natural look. So now I'm going to start applying the mascara on my lower lash. So we're just going to remove the wand, remove the excess product because you don't want a dark patch here. So for beginners, y'all can also use like a cotton pad or tissue and place it here so that mascara doesn't stick on your under eye. So I'm just going to go ahead. So you just take your mascara wand, place it here, and you pull it down. Pull it downwards. This will make your mascara look straight. Even if you put a little bit of product, if it's come here, don't worry. You can always erase it. You can use a cotton pad or a earbud to remove it. So I'm just going to place it here. And be very gentle because you might by mistake just poke your eye. So just this and just 1 or 2 coats, that's it. Now I'm going to apply it on this one. And keep your hand really loose. Don't just keep brushing your lower lash. See, that's it. That's how easy it was. And still, if you feel that you have a little bit of product around your area, I have a very little product here, so which I'm going to remove. So you can just fold your cotton pad and get it out like that. That's it, guys. This is how easy it was. And you can. So for starters, for beginners, please use a waterproof mascara. My eyes, it doesn't become a lot watery, so I don't need it. So for beginners, this is great. Use a waterproof mascara, and you can always use a cotton pad or a earbud and place it here, and then you apply your mascara. A lot of people I've seen using teaspoon also. So you can place it, upside, and then just apply the mascara. It's very simple, but practice makes perfect, so keep practicing it and be careful, don't poke your eyes. And if you have any other doubts, let me know in the comment section below. And also I'm on Instagram, follow me there. It's called Leena Gowda Official. That's my official account. And thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.